Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add an offer to EverWebinar. So here's a simple workaround for that. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to add an offer in EverWebinar. So one of the easiest ways for you is to log into your EverWebinar account, then go to your dashboard, the webinar dashboard, and select webinar you want to edit. So from the left-hand menu, click webinar room and choose offer, or you can choose the call to action button. Then click add new offer, enter your offer title. You can also enter your description and the button text. Then you can also add your offer link, which is where attendees will go when they click. Then set the timing for when the offer will appear during the webinar. Optionally, you can also add an image or countdown timer to boost the urgency, and click save, or you can also apply the save changes. And that's how you can easily add an offer to EverWebinar. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.